stretching and mobility exercises. Now we will stretch the chest. Stand next to a wall. Place your arm at a 45-degree angle and turn until you feel a stretch in the chest area. The muscles are stretching. Sometimes you might hear some background noise because of the microphone rubbing here. Hold on the other side. Don't let your back arch. We squeeze. Keep your torso stable. That's why I tucked in my shirt to show you. All right, next stretch. Place your knee down. Squeeze your glute. Put one hand on your knee and support yourself with the other hand on the ground. Keep your hip engaged. Your knee can move slightly forward, but not past your toes. Hold it. No, not here at the hip, but lower. And now we'll switch the exercise to the chest area. It will be like this. We won't let it get diluted along the way. Hold it. Also, don't lift your hip, keep it low. Hold it. Good, now stretch out, still sitting and holding hands here. Keep your torso stable and push forward a bit more. You should feel a stretch in the front part of your sides. Hold it. Oh, stretch out. Now stay forward, don't lean anymore. Good. Now straighten this leg. We raise our finger up, hands here, back straight. Bend forward until you feel a stretch here. If you can keep your back straight, try to reach for the ground. And hold it like this. If not, then it's better to keep your hands on your hips. Toes up. We'll switch legs. Okay, let's change the other lanes. Glutes tight, elbow on the knee. Lower your hand down, hold it. The club is down. If you can't bend forward, then just go as far as you can. With time, you'll be able to. Now we'll rotate the arm like this, stretching the chest area. Hold it. Look up at the ceiling. Glutes tight, hips low. All right, now this one. Hands here, push the hip forward, hold. You should feel the stretch here. The lunge opens up the hip flexor, back straight, chest lifted. Now, bring your leg forward. Bend forward with your back straight. Hold it, and if you can, try to reach the ground. If one side is easier, more flexible, then try to even out both sides. All right, right after that, sit down with your legs wide apart. Lean forward. Knees are straight. With an exhale, try to bend forward even more. Good, now keep your back straight and with your hand here, lean to the side. You should feel a stretch in the kidney area. Yes, push your hand up towards the ceiling like this. Oh. The other side. Also, if one side is more flexible, it probably means you need to stretch less on this side, and it could suggest that you sleep on this side more often than the other. Okay, now feet to feet. Keep your back straight. Pull your feet in and press your knees outward with your elbows. The inner part of your thighs should feel comfortable. Keep your back straight, chest lifted. Inhale into your belly. All right, now kneel down on your knees. Arms forward, hips above the knees. Lower your chest down. Don't arch your back. We inhale into the belly. Let your belly expand. As you exhale, contract it. Now sit back onto your heels, feet flexed. Sit down and lie back again. The lower back should round. Rest your elbows down a bit. Inhale into your belly. Press your belly down. Hold your breath and slowly exhale. Now, a deep squat. If you can, keep your heels on the ground, one hand on the floor, the other raised up. Hold the position. Your knees should not collapse inward. Now the other side. So if we go inward, spread one arm here, the other here. Extend, reach for the ceiling. Palms on the ground. We straighten our knees and bend them slightly, trying to stretch them more and more. And after 5 seconds, roll up vertebra by vertebra.